What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today we're going to be doing another model unboxing. This time we have two models inside this box right here, which arrived from Easy Toys. These are two awesome models, super excited for them. Well, I'm excited for one, the other one I'm excited for, but you're going to see why I'm not as excited for it as you'd think I am. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. Start dialing. Alright. So this came in a couple days ago and I just got around to doing it. I just finished up my semester, so you know how it goes. I've been super busy. Let's go ahead and open this up. So there's two models in here. These came from Easy Toys, as I said. Alright, so we have... Yep, perfect. Alrighty. Packaging. Alright, some paper. Alright, there we go. Move the box out the way. Alright. There we go, guys. Two GeminiJets models. Alright, there we go. Right out of the box, we have the Delta CRJ-900, the model that everyone has gone absolutely crazy about. You know, it's pretty cool. This box is incredibly tiny. Don't ask me why I expected it to be bigger. It looks kind of big on the camera, but you compare it to that, it is super small. And then yes, so Delta CRJ-900, and then the Frontier A321. Really excited for this one. This one, I'm excited for it, but you're going to see why I'm not as excited for it, as I say. This is a super tiny model. This is my first CRJ-900, first actual regional jet, I believe, in my collection. Well, CRJ-900 at least, in my collection. Very, happy to have it. It's exciting. So yeah, and then as I say, Frontier, A321. These are all the 2021 releases, the new. Forget which month they were. I'll have to look it up, but I'm not gonna worry about that. So yeah, let's go ahead. I believe it was January. Wait, these were the March releases, if I'm correct. So all right, we're gonna start with the CRJ-900 since that's like the one model everyone has gone crazy about. I've seen a lot of reviews and stuff on it. You know, I know what to expect when I open this up. I'm sure most of you who are watching are, know what to expect as well. But let's go ahead without further ado. It's a super small box, standard GeminiJets box, as always. Got the information here, which is cool. And there's the model. So we'll go ahead and open this up. This is the smallest model box that I have officially. This is incredibly small. I don't have my United CRJ 200s yet, so those are going to be even smaller than this. Those will definitely be the smallest aircraft I have in my collection. I don't have any other small aircraft like that. As I said, I think this is my first actual regional jet. I don't think I have any other small aircraft like this. So this is probably a first, which is exciting. It's nice to have firsts when collecting, new airlines or new aircrafts or whatnot. But yeah, so here we have it, the CRJ-900. GeminiJets. All right, so just decide. Go ahead here and look to zoom in on it so we can get some details. You guys can see what I'm dealing with here. All right, so there we go. So, forgive me, it's so light that it doesn't even, weigh down the tab here. So it's kind of up like that, but that's not a big deal. All right, so here you have it. The CRJ-900, you have the, some good, you have CRJ-900 on the little gear door, which is very nice. Some great detail, including the SkyTeam logo around the door there. Delta connection. This is operated by SkyWest, by the way. Just so any of you are wondering, you'll see in the registration why. Some of the baggage doors, question mark, on this side. Interesting. I didn't know that was the case. Stand by, guys. I'm gonna actually look something up here. Forgive me, guys. That's kind of odd. I didn't know. I'd never noticed that the CRJ has the. I'd never noticed that the baggage doors are on that side. Wow, would you look at that? They are. That's really cool. I never noticed that. Wow. That's pretty neat. I just wanted to make sure, like, that wasn't some sort of mistake, because I'm looking at it, I'm like, I've never ever seen, baggage doors like that. However, I do want to point out something, though, that it appears that delivery is a little off in the sense that this blue line right here, I believe, is a little bit higher up on the real aircraft because it covers more of that second baggage door. But not a huge deal. I just noticed that because I was looking at the photos of it. Anyway, moving along, really nice. Got the two overwing exits there. This is a nice long aircraft. You got the wings and the winglets, very nice, and then registration, American flag. The registration is November 821 Sierra Kilo, SkyWest aircraft. And you have the engines, that rear compartment there, and then the tail. Very nice, So, and then you have that little number on the tail there. So, kind of taking a look at it. Not too bad. Obviously, we're going to get to some of this stuff in the second here, but here we go. On this side, Delta connection, some more nice details, like great details around the door there and everything. Oh, what happened there? Oh, so I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you should be able to see that there, guys. It looks like Delta connection on that side by the door is scuffed up. Well, that's unfortunate. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, you can see that, right? Right there, it's scuffed up. I'm gonna do something here. Forgive me, guys. I'm taking some little breaks and whatnot here. But anyway, so as you can see, there's that scuffed connection, like the ION on the end there, which is, I don't know if I doubt that's how it is on a real aircraft. So that's kind of interesting. Classic GeminiJets. I'm not surprised, honestly. Moving along, again, the wings. There's great detail on the wings. I like that. The overwing exit markings and like those little red dots and stuff. That's really nice. And then on this side, the registration, American flag, and all the great details, along the back there, and then the tail. So, obviously, it's a really small model, but there's quite a few things wrong with this aircraft, and I've seen everyone talk about it. I just kind of looking at it, like there's the engines look a little, oh, that's interesting, they look a little weird. The horizontal stabilizers, like here, that tail part is not supposed to be bent up. That's supposed to be slanted down. That's quite the screw up by GeminiJets. God knows what they were doing. Pathetic, absolutely pathetic. There's no excuse. I have no shame in calling GeminiJets out, and it's because I paid for this model. I paid, you pay a lot for these models, especially like a tiny model like this. You pay like, what did I pay for it? Yeah, it doesn't say it here, damn it. All I know is I paid too damn much for it, and that's what you get. Like, come on, GeminiJets. Disgusting. Like, really and truly, I didn't pay for that. Like, come on. It's not like you don't have pictures of the real aircraft. I don't get it. I noticed that, like, again, that little like scuff up there on the connection. Something else to note, the engines. It's a small it's not like super noticeable, but one engine is actually further forward than the other. Like, what the hell is that? That's ridiculous. Excuse my language, guys, but like it's crazy. You know, unbelievable. And then of course, well, the landing gear, an absolute joke of a job by GeminiJets. Like, again, I'm happy to have this model. It's cool and all. I don't necessarily need this aircraft for LA because it doesn't fly in and out of there anymore. It used to. So, it's good to have. I might throw it in and like do like a retro update in the future, when I get set up and whatnot. But oh my god, just like seeing this in person after seeing the videos of it. Oh, that's laughable, honestly. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, GeminiJets. Yeah, and I know, and then they released that American CRJ-900, which, again, I don't need, so I didn't get it. I left it, for others who need it to get it and who want it to get it. I didn't hog up any. I only got one of these, by the way, too. Like, I just wanted to get it to see what it's like, just have it in the collection, because this was such a sought after model, with all the ones going on eBay for so much, like thousands of dollars and all that kind of silliness. I thought, I might as well get this just to have it in the collection, throw it into an airport in the future or something. But, you pay a lot of money. You pay over, like 35, 37, 40 something bucks for these models, and it's not broken, but you have simple things that should not be, messed up. Like that gear, those horizontal stabilizers, like the tail fin there, and then the engines, like that sort of thing. That's unacceptable in my opinion. And I'm being harsh, I know. Forgive me. But it's because I work hard and I pay for these models, and they come like this. It's not in pieces, which is good. But GeminiJets, man, you release good models and then you release, like, how? I don't get it. GeminiJets is so inconsistent in their models. Some are great and others are messed up. They mess up the colors. They mess up the mold, or the quality control is horrific. They're broken. I don't get it. What goes through? How do they do this and just get away with it? I don't know. But anyway, that's kind of my little rant over. I haven't been able to rant about GeminiJets in a while because I haven't had any issues. I have, but nothing severe like this. So whatever. Most people know about the issues with this CRJ-900. Hopefully the American one, because they're back-to-back releases, this Delta and then that American, I don't have much hope for it. But again, I didn't get it, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like when I see the videos from other people. But, yeah, anyway, so that's the CRJ-900 out the way. I'm going to put that to the side. Actually, it's going for a flight, guys. We're going to zoom out and we're going to do the Frontier A321. This model I'm excited for. Again, the GeminiJets A321 mold, many of you know, is not, incredible. It's got its issues, but it's something, it's a model I can live with. It's not as bad as, what we just looked at with the CRJ, and how there's not as many defects with this. So, standard GeminiJets box, you have the information inside, got the back, and everything. Good old GeminiJets box. So, let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm excited. I shake it, no loose parts from what I can tell. That's always a bonus, and always a plus, because I've had quite a few of these GeminiJets A321s come. What the heck? Interesting, like, hole there. Okay, cool. I've had quite a few of these 321s come broken in the past. Oh, it's got that, like, slippery texture to it. But, right out the box, it's all in one piece. Yep, it's all in one piece. Fantastic. I cannot complain about that. That is, you know, that's what I pay for. I pay for a model that's intact, that's good. You know, obviously the CRJ was intact and everything, but the model is kind of off. So, anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is, here we have it. This is Steve, the Bald Eagle. I've actually seen this aircraft in real life at Orlando. Really nice. It's funny because today I watched, as you know, just before recording this this video, I watched the video done by GeminiJets, well, CLT Aviation, officially or originally GeminiJets 13. Matt, he pointed out, you know, the tail. He wished the tail, the Eagle, was a little darker. I can agree with that. I think we talked about it kind of before. And I looked up pictures and I've seen it in real life. You know, the tail is darker, but I think that's the only thing that I can see on this model that I have an issue with, and it's not even that big of a deal. They still did a really good job with this. It looks fantastic. So we'll start off here. There we go. So, got my little pointer. So, starting off, got the cockpit windows. Great detail there. Steve, the Bald Eagle. Very nice. The front door. The main gear, which actually look really good. I gotta say, it's not bad. And then you have the good old Frontier titles. You have L1 and L2 door. Engines. Don't look too bad. Hey, you know, they're not sagging to the floor. They are a little big, but I think they've actually done a decent job. They're not too low, and they're not incredibly huge, which is nice. I think they've done a good job. Main gear, the winglets, nothing fancy, nothing crazy about that. Actually, on the inside, there's Steve there. Very nice. And yeah, so just moving along. L3. Oh, focus. There we go. You have L3 and flyfrontier.com. Registration November 709. Foxtrot Romeo, an American flag back there. And then there's Steve on the tail. You know, really nice. As I say, just a little too light, but not a big deal. Not the end of the world. I'm quite happy with this. So yeah. And then you know, just kind of spinning it around. Start from the tail. Very nice. And just moving along, you got the baggage door and then the cargo door. And the forward cargo door and everything. So that's pretty much it, guys. A very nice model. GeminiJets has done a good job. Oh, let me show you guys the underneath before I forget. Nothing crazy. Yeah, rolling landing gear. Actually, yeah. Rolling landing gear. So very nice. Very, very nice model. No complaints. See, this is what I'm saying. Like, GeminiJets done a great job. I really can't complain about the mold. I know the engines, they might be a little big, but they don't touch the ground or anything. Like, I'm quite content. The wings are incredibly flexed too, which is shocking and very nice. It's all in one piece. Can't complain at all. There's, you know, an antennas. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to point out. You have the antennas at the front and at the back. Very nice. And then at the bottom as well. There's a couple. Actually, no, there are none on the bottom. Interesting. Thought there normally were, but I guess not. That's fine. So yeah, very nice model. Highly recommend it if you don't have it. I picked this up because Frontier, you know, on normal times, they operate, I've seen this operate to Phoenix out of LA. So, you know, it's nice to have this in the collection, growing my Frontier fleet, which is pretty small right now. So, yeah, anyways, that's going to conclude it for this video, guys. We're going to go ahead and bring in our little Delta CRJ here. So there you have it. There's those two models, the Frontier A321 and the Delta CRJ, both by GeminiJets. No complaints about the Frontier. You know my take on the CRJ. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. See you.